When you find a parallel parking spot with cars both in front and behind, and just as you're about to park, another car cuts in and takes the spot, what should you do? Today, I'll teach you a parallel parking method that can prevent others from stealing your space. Beginners should save this for future use. Once you spot a parking space, drive forward along the parking lines. When your driver's seat is aligned with the front of the car behind the space, turn the steering wheel 1.5 turns to the right. Keep driving forward. When the left A-pillar aligns with the rear line of the parking space, stop. Then turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and continue moving forward while checking your left side mirror. When you can see the full front end of the car behind you, stop. Straighten the steering wheel and start reversing. When you see the front door handle align with the curb in the right side mirror, turn the steering wheel fully to the left and continue reversing. With this method, your car will enter the parking spot properly, and you won't have to worry about someone else taking it.